Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, your Switch model, firmware, and that you're signed into the correct Nintendo account. Next, check immediately for cloud saves in System Settings Data Management Save Data Cloud. This is the fastest restore method. Once done, ensure your console is charged and connected to stable Wi-Fi. Unstable connections cause partial restores. Now, sign into the same account on the Switch you'll use, because account mismatches prevent access to cloud backups. You now restore the data. For cloud saves, open Save Data Cloud, pick the game, and choose Download Save Data from Cloud. If the game lacks cloud data, perform a user transfer between consoles or locate any manual micro SD backups and safely copy files. Be careful to match user ID. If the console has system errors, boot into maintenance mode. Hold volume up plus down and power to run checks. Make sure to wait for confirms. Interrupting file moves risks corruption. Finish by launching each restored game to verify progress, settings, and linked accounts. This confirms a successful recovery. If a save is still missing, double-check which account holds cloud backups and confirm their status via Nintendo account online. Make sure to re-download the latest firmware and clear system cache if installs fail. If problems persist, contact Nintendo support with your console's serial number, account email, and exact error messages. This speeds up account level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.